Assignment. Hi, it is assignment time. Are you all ready for a very simple assignment? Okay, let us do it. Can you write a function to subtract any two numbers using parameters and arguments and print it? How do we do it? First, let us write the function. So, we write def word and give the name of the function. Shall we give the name as subtract? Okay. After that, put open bracket and close bracket and then put colon. Because we are going to use parameters and arguments here to subtract two numbers, we need two variables and two values. Correct. So remember, parameters are variables and arguments are values. So here, inside the brackets, in the function statement, put two variables number 1, number 2. Press enter and create a variable result and put equal to number 1 minus number 2. Press enter and write print open bracket close bracket and put result inside the brackets. Now we should give arguments where we are calling the function. Right? Press enter and delete the tab space and write subtract open bracket close bracket and put the arguments inside the brackets. Shall we put the values as 6 and 4 separated by comma? So, we would write subtract, open bracket, 6, 4, close bracket. Save the file and run the code. The output printed will be 2. Can you try to write a function like this with any two numbers? Try the assignment and submit your assignment very soon. Excited to see it. See you all in another interesting video. Bye-bye.